Right, kia ora and talofa. Welcome to another session of We Chats. We're here again at the Indigo Studios in Auckland. So today we're going to be talking about off-season work. So, your winter time, businesses, many businesses have that kind of season. So, what do you do? And, we've got some tips for you.
Yeah, so I guess one of the easiest tips you can do on an off-season is if you've got a product, holding those flash sales, to try to drive more customers into that business. If you've got old products that you're not selling because of the season, put them on a special, and maybe they'll be able to help to drive more business to your company or organisation.
And I guess on the same kind of line, if it's not a flash sale, just what sort of marketing can you do leading up to that time, knowing that that's going to be a bit quieter for you? So can you invest some money before that lead up, and then have some sort of offerings that you can, whether it's product or service that you can deliver or add value to your customer? Because even though it's kind of an off season, your customer base is still going to have problems and challenges that you can potentially still solve for them. So, I guess really putting yourself into the seat of the business owner, or in our case, or your client, and going, what are the challenges that they're facing at this time, and how can I provide a service or a product to help them?
Yeah, and so one of the tips I've got around, say, service businesses is maybe creating a subscription model business where you can offer your service throughout the year and you're getting cash flow through there. So that no matter what type of the season is, you're still getting paid for that service.
And that's what we did when we started So, mostly year ends you'd get, an accounting firm might get money from, say, May, so about May maybe through to October, November, December, and then wouldn't be so busy sort of, after Christmas and then leading up into April again. So, we knew that, and that's why we created this, an annual plan where you pay every month. So we knew that our cash flow was going to be ongoing. Yeah, and that was easier for our customer too, because they weren't having to then come up with the money to pay us plus their tax bill come tax time. So thinking smarter about the ways that you charge your customer using solutions like Go Cardless or other direct debits that may be able to help you to be able to recoup that money too. Just thinking smartly and differently about how you might sell or offer your product or service.
I mean, if you've got, obviously you've got a bunch of loyal clients or customers, maybe have a day out where you bring them all in and create a referral system so that you can actually find out a survey on, what works for them, what goods and services that they prefer, and that gives you an opportunity to develop a product or service that you could sell in that off season to help and cover through their peaks and troughs.
And then I guess it's also like, if you're thinking about over the Christmas period, if your clients are generally away, are there events on that you can be at? Can you go into markets? Are there different areas and places that you can go to offer your product or service that maybe you haven't gone to before? That, you'd probably also be getting into new markets and can potentially pick up some new clients as well. So, think outside the box.
Yeah, definitely.
Cool. Well, that's us for today on We Chats here at the Indigo Studios, and we look forward to seeing you next week.
Till next time. Pass over.